Hello, in this video we're talking about trial balance. Now, to understand trial balance, we need to know that account must be balanced off before extracting the trial balance at regular interval during the financial year. Now, it will be accessible and it will be very easy to balance each account so that the position recorded may be properly ascertained. Now, in the procedures to balance the ledger of accounts, we need to consider four things. Number one, add all items on debit side. 2, add all items on credit side. 3, compare both items on the credit side and the debit side. Then in the second part, which is the B, A, debit balance is an excess of debt over credit item. 2, a credit balance is an excess of debt over debit item. For example, Victor has an account. The account is divided to debit side and credit side. In the debit side, we have June 1. I made sales of 2,000 naira. June 2, I made another sales of 2,000 naira. Then the credit side, in June 8, I received a cash of 1,500 naira. Now, in the debit side that we calculated, that means we have 4,000 naira. In the credit side now, we have 1,500 naira. Then we will subtract the 1,500 naira from the 4,000 naira in the debit side. That will be 2,500 naira. So 2,500 naira in the debit side, in the credit side, plus the 1,500 naira will give us a balance of 4,000. So we have 4,000 this side, the debit side, and 4,000 naira at the credit side. Now the 2,500 naira we have in the credit side is called balance carried down, and we'll bring it again to the debit side, and then we'll call it balance brought down, which will be used for the opening of a new account. Now let's look at trial balance on itself. This is the schedule that shows the list of debits and credit balance extracted from the ledger to show the arithmetic accuracy of ledgers. Don't forget that ledger is the final book of accounts. Now, what are the uses of trial balance? It helps in testing the accuracy of the double entry. Don't forget that the double entry has to do with the credit side and the debit side. So it is tested. That means when the credit side is equal to the debit side, then we say it is balanced. So trial balance helps us to test if both sides are balanced. B, it helps in the preparation of the financial statement. Now, what are the rules of trial balance? 1, all assets must be put on the debit side. That is all assets of the business. Don't forget that asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. 2, all liabilities must be put in the credit side of trial balance. 3, all income or gain must be recorded in the credit side of the trial balance. And 4, all expenses must be recorded on the debit side. Now, this will help us to balance our accounts. Now, trial balance also has nature. And what's the nature of trial balance? That is the workings of trial balance. Trial balance has particulars, debit side, and credit side. Then the debit side and the credit side, you are going to ascertain the currency that is given you in your exam, because you may not be given naira, you may be given dollars, you may be given pounds or any other currency. So you are going to ascertain the currency that is given to you. In our next video, we'll be talking about bank reconciliation statements.